Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use Clophi for infrastructure code generation. The fastest way to generate infrastructure code in Clophi is by asking AI to create it for you through a prompt like this. Unlike pure AI approach, Clophi will fix any mistakes and hallucinations of AI before showing you the result. Once imported in Clophi, you can modify the resource as you like. The other approach is to use draft resource templates, which are prepared by experienced Azure developers. You can also modify the draft resource as you like after it's imported. The detailed information about a resource is presented on the second right tab called Resource Docs. Here you also find the information on real-life use cases of this resource, as well as its official pricing links. In Clophi, each resource field has detailed documentation, including official Azure documentation and additional explanations. Additional explanations are added to fill in the gaps that exist in the official documentation. To reference another resource in Clophi, you should use either Reference from Infrastructure or Reference from Azure button. Both buttons present only the suitable resources that can be assigned to such fields. Here I am referencing a network interface card with Reference from Infrastructure button. This NIC was previously added to my infrastructure. Clophi can handle password fields as key vault secrets. You can create a new key vault secret and reference it with this button, or you can write it as plain text with this button. Clophi also lets you see which resources are available as child resources under this tab. The chosen resource gets added to infrastructure as a child of this current resource. You can download your production-level infrastructure as code in Terraform Bicep and ARM formats from the infrastructure page. But you can also view the ARM template of the current resource under this code tab right on the fly. The relevant architecture section on the main right tab leads you to full Azure architectures, where this resource is utilized. For Architecture Center and importing of architecture into Clophi, we have another short video which you can check for more details. Once you are finished with your resource, you add it to your infrastructure. In the current infrastructure, we already had 2 resources, and now we have just added the virtual machine as an additional resource. You can see the order of deployment automatically set for you. Clophi understands this from the relation between resources. You can also archive your solution to modify it later. Now, you can download your infrastructure as code in the format you like, with or without parameter files. This is how the downloaded infrastructure as code files look like. With each download, you also receive a README file, which shows you how to deploy your code to Azure with Azure CLI and PowerShell. Clophi can also deploy your solution for you if you had already enabled the Clophi deployer service principal. This is it for now. Thanks for watching.